Josh, we just talked about the last 3 years and how incredibly strong markets have been, and how that also will lead to portfolio activity to make sure a portfolio is still aligned with the long-term objectives. Along with that means that there could be other effects like taxes. So can you talk to us a little bit about how we're approaching taxes in 2026?
Yeah, absolutely. So we did send a letter out to a number of our clients over the past few weeks. And what you'll see in those notes is the mention of potentially higher capital gains taxes in 2026. And taxes can be viewed as a negative effect, but realistically, it's a sign of investment success. As you earn returns, if you want to rebalance your portfolio, in certain instances, you have to pay taxes on that. And it should be a sign of a good thing as opposed to the bad thing that it gets a reputation for.
And what we're really doing is we're making sure that your portfolio is aligned with your objectives and harvesting some of those gains you've made with some resulting tax liability associated with it. Talk to me a little bit about that. How do we approach being tax efficient in portfolios?
Yeah, absolutely. The big thing that we want to do in 2026 is understand the tax picture early, right? Be ahead of the game. Understand what flexibility you might have based on spending needs, based on what the year is going to look like, so that we can plan out how comfortable are we taking a little bit more on the capital gains and taxable side. And when we think about those taxes, it's really a sign of success, right? It's a sign that you've made money on this investment. We're going to take some of it off the table and redeploy it elsewhere to keep you in balance. And that balance is what we want to be strategic about. So make sure that we have areas of the market in the right exposures at the right price points, and making sure that we have a broad, diversified approach to the overall portfolio.
Taxes are a deeply personal thing, and everybody's situation is different. So you will be hearing from your advisory team in terms of what does this mean for 2026.